You're watching Markets for You, a daily videocast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar strengthened on Monday as investors look for safe havens for their money as global growth fears weighed on risk appetite. Both downgraded forecasts of Chinese growth and concerns over Europe weighed on sentiment. The dollar ended the day at 1.2967 to the euro and 78.33 to the yen. Today's data includes NFIB small business optimism and economic optimism for October. Next to the euro. The single currency fell on Monday after a general drop in risk appetite following the release of figures from the World Bank, which warned of a slowdown in China. Further delay by Spain in requesting a bailout also weighed. The euro ended the day at 101.57 to the yen and 0.8092 to the pound. The economic schedule today includes a speech from Mario Draghi this morning and Angela Merkel's visit to Greece. British pound. Sterling came under renewed pressure on Monday after fears of a global slowdown triggered by negative forecasts from the World Bank led to a flight to safety. A speech by Chancellor George Osborne announcing further austerity also weighed. The pound ended the day at 1.6025 to the dollar and 125.52 to the yen. Today's data includes industrial production where a minus 1.1% fall is expected, manufacturing production which is also forecast to fall, and the trade balance which is expected to show a deepening deficit. Japanese yen. The yen rose on Monday after risk appetite plunged on China growth concerns and continued delay on implementing a Spanish bailout package. Despite a national holiday, the yen still gained from the flight to risk. The yen ended the day at 78.33 to the dollar and 101.57 to the euro. And now a section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.299 with targets at 1.29 and 1.2875 an extension. Above 1.2099, which will look for further upside with 1.301 and 1.304 as targets. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.6065 with targets at 1.5985 and 1.5955 an extension. Above 1.6065, which will look for further upside with 1.61 and 1.6125 as targets. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open short positions below 78.45 with targets at 78.05 and 77.85 an extension. Above 78.45, which will look for further upside with 78.65 and 78.85 as targets. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips. I'm Andrew Whitelaw and you've been watching Markets for You. Have a great day.